Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sean, a sports orthopedic surgeon passionate about helping people returning to doing the activities that they love. I'm here to talk about something many athletes and active individuals face when recovering from an ACL tear: graft choices in ACL reconstruction. When your ACL is injured, choosing the right graft for reconstruction is crucial to your recovery. The graft acts as a replacement ligament, and there are a few common choices: your own tissue, like the hamstring tendon, patellar tendon, or quadriceps tendon, or a donor tissue, also known as an allograft. But which one is right for you? Here's the thing, there is no single best graft. Each has its strengths and trade-offs. Hamstring grafts are popular for their minimal impact on your kneecap area, while patellar tendon grafts are often favoured for their strong healing potential through bone-to-bone integration. Quadriceps tendon grafts are another robust option, gaining traction for their versatility and low donor site pain. On the other hand, allografts can be ideal for older, less active patients, as they avoid the need to harvest tissue from your own body. But here's an important point: the success of your operation depends as much on your activity level and recovery plan as it does on your graft choice. Even the strongest graft can rupture if subject to high-risk activities too soon. That's why the decision isn't about finding the strongest option. It's about finding the one that's right for your anatomy, activity levels, and goals. Let's not forget, no graft is as ideal as your own original ACL. So if your native ligament could tear, a graft could too. That's why proper rehabilitation and pacing your return to sports are key to avoid re-injury. Imagine feeling confident in your recovery plan, knowing every decision has been tailored for your unique needs. Envision the relief of a knee that is stable, strong, and ready to move you through life's adventures. This isn't a one-size-fits-all decision. It's about choosing the best path for you, with a team that guides you every step of the way. The first step to reclaiming your mobility starts with understanding your options and taking action. Help yourself move better, heal stronger, and live your best life, because every strong recovery starts with the right plan.